Today we're checking out the HVAC Heater Hose Assembly from Thermostat Housing to Water Outlet for the 2011 to 18 Mustang GT and GT 350. If you've got a Mustang with a coolant leak starting to show up around the front of the engine, or you're just trying to stay ahead of a cooling problem before it leaves you stranded, this is one of those replacement parts that makes a lot of sense to handle before it turns into a bigger headache. So it's definitely worth checking out. This hose assembly is all about keeping coolant moving where it needs to go so the engine stays at the right temperature. It routes coolant to and from the heater core, which means it plays a direct role in keeping that cooling system working the way that it should. One big feature that makes this a smart replacement is the full molded 3-branch design, because you're not just patching one weak section or trying to make a generic hose work for you. You're replacing the whole entire assembly with the right shape and routing, and that helps avoid kinks, bad fitment, or weak clamp points. Another nice detail is the upgraded aluminum Y connector right here, which adds toughness in an area that sees constant heat cycles and pressure over time. It's also built for a maximum working pressure of 50 psi, so it's designed to handle real cooling system demands. If your car is starting to smell like coolant, showing some seepage, or you just want a cleaner fix than chasing those leaks one connection at a time, this is exactly the kind of direct replacement part that you're gonna want. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting a molded 3-branch heater hose assembly with an upgraded aluminum Y connector, built to handle pressure, handle heat, and the repeated hot and cold cycles inside that cooling system. This aluminum Y connector is a really nice added bonus because it adds extra durability in a part of the assembly that can become weak over time. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in that $80 price range. For a direct replacement cooling hose assembly that can help prevent overheating and save you from chasing down coolant leaks later down the road, that's a really solid value in my opinion. When it comes to the install on this one, it's gonna get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this job done in only 1 hour of your time. Now, let's see exactly how this install process works with a quick video from one of our AmericanMuscle customers.
We are just using the simple tweezers and flat screwdriver. Today we are going to work on my Mustang 2015. We are going to change this piece. Is the 3 pipe, the metal one. So the first step to do is to disconnect all the intake. I have the OM take it off, so I have this fancy one. So I need to disconnect this hose, the oil filter, this tool, and this scanner. So let's do this first. That right screw to take it off the little secure of this hose. That's right. So one time we have all the pipes disconnect. The next step is take it off this little screw. You just need to a couple twist it. That's right. You need to take it off this one. And the last one, it's my catch can. So now I have much more room to work and take it off this piece. So the new one, it should be this, like this. I'm using a tweezers to pull this metal safe and take it off. So after removed the principal antifreeze hose, even take it off the second one. It's easy. The easy way is just to disconnect the metal secure and twist a little bit the piece and take it off. So this is the piece, the last one, the new metal one. So we can see the difference. The next step is just do the same, just backwards. My recommendation at this point is just use a mop to clean a little bit the connections, just to prevent any leak or something like that. So it's easy job. And also protect your intake acceleration body. And obviously you will lose kind of half gallon of antifreeze. So now we're just to put everything back. Same operation, twist a little bit. And once all the hose just all away, use the secure. So once you have the black hose inside, just need to connect the secondary line. And be sure use the metal secure on this place. If you are not sure, just to double check. All the way up and put the metal secure. And that's right. Same operation. Clean a little bit. Flat screwdriver to take it off the secure. Once you have and that's just we need to using the tweezers put the metal piece on site like this. Once you have all these metal secures on site, this is how it looks. The metal new heater pipe hose. This is how the old one looks. Much more better. So next step is just to put everything back. So we just put again the intake pipe and all the other pipes on site. So let's do this. So we just need to put everything back. This piece has a screw, the flat one. It's not a big deal. Just put inside, not too tight. And that's right. Everything's just this little important too. Has a great secure. Just make a double check just to be sure everything is inside. And everything looks just perfect.
All right, that wraps up our review and install of the HVAC Heater Hose Assembly from Thermostat Housing to water outlet in the 2011 to 2018 Mustang GT and GT350. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at American Muscle.